What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project called DXRP. This came across my desk, so I want to bring it across your desk as something that has potential. Now, I've decided from the start that I'm going to buy some DXRP for myself. This is not coming from them. This is not coming from anybody else. I'm deciding that I'm going to throw some money into DXRP because of the things that I've researched. When I tend to research things and I look at how things are, how people are responding to it, I get interested in it, right? I look at the gains and I look at the potential, and honestly, I can see growth within it. So that's why I'm deciding to make a move. Now, I want you guys to make sure you see the full context of this video so that you can break it down for yourself, as well as do some research outside of it, which I will provide all of the links down below. With that being said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos, and check out all of the links down below if you guys are interested in this project. Now, DXRP is the first decentralized exchange, right? First decentralized exchange built natively on the XRP Ledger. Blazing fast settlements, ultra low fees, deep liquidity. We're looking at a hybrid trading and real utility for its DXP token. This is a project that currently has 23, almost 24,000 followers on Twitter, and they're currently updating you about everything. You can reach out to them and talk to them about a lot of different things. But they're doing a lot of big things, because you understand that right now is a very important time. And the reason why it's so important is because the current crypto market is in an interesting spot. The current crypto market is at a $3.8 trillion market cap. Majority of that is Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's starting to see a little bit of negativity while everything else in the market is kind of making moves. To make a point, BTC is sitting at 62% dominance. There was a couple of days ago, a week ago actually, that this was sitting at a 64, 65% dominance. And now Ethereum is seeing a little bit more than that 9%, now closing in on 11%. So we're seeing a lot more movement in altcoins rather than seeing that movement in Bitcoin, meaning that we could potentially be seeing an altcoin season. And with that, you look at XRP, XRP is up by 9% today. It's at a $3.25 price versus where it was recently at a $2 plus price. So we're seeing some major movement, and XRP is where it's at. You're looking at, regulation, you're looking at adoption, you're looking at acceptance in crypto overall. And honestly, it's an interesting time and really, really rare time to be kind of invested or all in on, cryptocurrency. So with that being said, DXRP, the first DEX built for Ripple's XRP Ledger. The current price is sitting at 0.008 or 80% of a penny. And the pre-sale, right, the next price increase will happen in 2 days and 14 hours. So you have a little bit of time to make whatever type of move you wanted to make and see what's going to happen as you see those increases come along. But right now you're sitting at 80% of a penny. That's, if you would have bought XRP at 80% of a penny, you would have been ecstatic with where it is right now. DXRP is a next generation decentralized exchange powered by the XRP Ledger. We combine blazing fast transactions, ultra low fees, deep liquidity, deliver an institutional grade trading experience for everyone from crypto newcomers to pro traders. No noise, just execution. Here are some features that they know that you would love, that I would love, I obviously love. So instant settlements, things that can happen in literally seconds, low fees, dual trading modes, smart liquidity routing, advanced order types as well. Who is this for? Retail traders. It could be for professional traders. It can be for anybody, right? Anybody who wants to get involved in something that's honestly at the ground floor and you have the opportunity. Life is filled with opportunities. I'm not saying that this is your 100% opportunity, but life is filled with opportunities. And right now you have the opportunity to do your research, find if it is a great investment for you, find what level you want to invest if possible, and then make that move as you move along. Powered by the XRP Ledger. Again, we talk about the fast speeds, the cheap cost, the efficiency, the security, all of that stuff. You can look at their partners and their integrations. And one thing that you guys can calculate, right now it's at a 0.008 price. If you decided to put $1,000 in here and it did so happen to get to $1, that would be $118,000 that you can have as a potential balance. Now you can be a little bit more, say optimistic, and you'd be like, all right, it's going to get to 30 cents at $35,000 that you decide to put in there. For me, I'm actually going to put $200 in here, and we're going to see that grow as time goes on, and take profit, but as well as be able to utilize it as the DXP token does make moves. So you guys can go and buy right here. It's very simple to honestly buy, and we will go through that. But the tokenomics currently stand with 2 billion total tokens. Public sale 25%, so you're looking at about 50 or 500 million that's actually out there. Liquidity provision, you have 15%, 10% for staking, 10% for ecosystem and partnership, 10% for advisors, 12% for marketing, 12% for, 9% for reserve and treasury, 12% for R&D and innovation fund, and then airdrops and bounty programs 3% with a default 12-month timing or vesting timing period. So you can look at basically 500 million that's out there and doing the math off of that as you see the calculations in general. If you guys want to explore the roadmap, here is the roadmap. I don't want to over explain things. I just want to talk about kind of what I see here and what you guys can look at. But they do have, the launch. Obviously, we're in Q3 of 2025, and we're going to see the token pre-sale launch, deploy LP reward system, and so on and so forth, release platform and public trading in Q4 of 2025. So they have a lot going for them and a lot that they're looking to do. Different things that you can get, right? Everything you need to trade smarter, real-time analytics dashboard, dual trading system, dynamic fee control, ultra-fast settlements, advanced order types, just on and on and on for the things that they offer with the XRPL and with DXRP. So if you guys want to go and buy DXRP, right? Go in here, you click buy DXRP, you can join the pre-sale, and it's going to take you here, right? I'm deciding to buy. You can buy with anything you really want. You can buy Ethereum, BSC, you can buy Polygon, Tron, Solana, whatever. I'm going with Ethereum, that I'm actually going to buy with Ethereum. And I have to actually connect my wallet, which my wallet should be connected. Oh, it's over here. So it is connected over here. And I'm going to buy with Ethereum. And I want to buy about 0.6, I believe. And it looks like I have insufficient. Oh, it's only giving me how much I have. So 0.5, 0.4. How much do I have in my wallet? All right. So I guess for some reason it's saying I have insufficient funds when I know I have a decent amount of ETH that's actually there. I guess I can buy with there, but I can buy with base. Looks like I have more on base. So I'm going to buy 0.4, not 4, 0.04. And then I should be able to buy the 100. I was going to buy $200 worth, but I only have 190 in base, I guess, and then 60 that's sitting over there. So I would have to do it separately. So I'm going to do 0.4, and we're going to purchase it. And then we're going to go through the checks and balances and everything there. And we're going to, once it does fully go through, and then we'll have DXP in our possession. Now, if you guys want to go and check this out, feel free to give it a look. The link will be down there in the description for DXP. All of the information will be down there as well if you guys want to go and check it out for yourself, because honestly, there's a lot to look up, a lot to look into. And I think, not saying that you should go all in or you should do, I think you guys should make your own decision on how much you want to invest and what you want to invest and where you want to invest. But these do look like, this does look like a great play, something that can honestly benefit a lot of people. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to go and finalize this off camera here, but because it's taken a while to actually go through. I wanted to do it very quickly. It seemed like it was a quicker process beforehand, but it might just be my internet because they're installing fiber right now. So it's anyways. But yeah, this looks like a great project. Make sure you guys check it out. This could be something that you could potentially see, a 10x on, that you could see a 20x on, that you can increase your money by a lot more than where it is as an investment standpoint, but also look for it to be something more, maybe a little bit more in the future. So let me know what you think about it. Feel free to check it out. I wanted to see if I wanted to mention maybe anything else that's here. But I have links down below. Specifically, use my link. I'll put it up at the top of the description if you guys want to. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.